Agrizzi watshela lesigcawu ukuthi uSmith nowayengusihlalo wekomidi elibhekele ezamajele wathola imali engaphezulu kwe-1,500 wenkampanini iBOSASA. uSmith wavuma ukuthi wathola le mali kepha wathi wayenesivumelwano noAgrizzi ngo-2015 sokuthi yabulekwe le mali ukuze yakhokhele izifundo zendodakazi yakhe enyuvesi. Ubuzwe ukuthi kungani yakhetha ukuhlangana nezikhulu zeBOSASA ehotela laseGoli ngesikhathi lapho lenkampani yayibhekene nezinsolo zenkohlakalo.
If anyone were to say, well, I met a member of parliament, a chairperson of the portfolio committee at a hotel, that person would be seeming to go around with a big cloud. To say, I have the member of parliament in my pocket. I met him in a hotel. Didn't you think about that?
Whether Mr. Watson had me in his pocket or not as a perception, the separation of powers just did not allow a member of parliament to get involved in the day-to-day working of any department. So I could not have influenced the department just by virtue of the separation of powers, even if I wanted to.
uSmith ubesebuzwa ngodaba lemali ayithola kuAgrizzi.
The fact that I gave Mr. Agrizzi my company bank account was because for me it was a legitimate agreement. In fact, my audited financial statements will show that those transactions are raised as a loan in the company, in the audited financial statements. If it was for any other reason, Chair, chances are I would have gone to Mr. Agrizzi or to anybody and says, look, you guys give me 100,000 rand according to you per month. Let me use that 100,000 rand and do it. I knew that there was an EFG. I gave them my company account. I have that company account audited, and the audited financial statements indicate it's a loan.
Lesigcawu siyaqhubeka.